Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser, ensuring a seamless and personalized browsing experience. Ready to have Google Chrome as your go-to browser for all things online? Let's make it happen with these easy steps. Now open your Google web browser and then go to settings. You can see it here on the hamburger menu. Now select settings. All you have to do now is to look for the default browser. So it's here, and then please click it. You will then have an option here to make the Google Chrome as your default browser. So please click the make default and then change it to Google Chrome and close the window. And as you can see, it is stated here that Google Chrome is your default browser. And just like that, you've tailored your browsing experience to your preferences. And good job for following all the steps. Now you've learned how to set Google Chrome as your default browser, making sure you have a reliable and familiar platform for all your online adventures. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to make Google Chrome default browser. See you on my next video.